Here I am in a lovely environment and it feels so peaceful here. And I wanted to tell you guys that I have found some solutions for a technical problem. Maybe you're facing it right now. So check the video, and if it helps you, if it really helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me a lot. Bye! Thank you and thank you for watching the video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing my channel. You can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. Bye.